Did you eat my burger?
Get in the box. Yep.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you think of me?
No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
You just ate an entire chicken parm. The whole chicken.
Did you do that? Did you do that? Go to Kennel. Hey, Kennel. Kennel.
Does she usually barks at other kids?
No. Stop talking back.